seem like it's been a while for you guys because I have a video that I'll probably release this week, and then this will probably come out the week after that one. But it's been a while since I posted. It seems like the beginning of every year I get problems with my lower back, and then it just kind of evaporates. It's been x-rayed. No one can find anything wrong with it. It's just sciatica is the best we can come up with, but it plagues me for about a month out of each year. This was some wood that was given away at our Turner's Club meeting. This is Huisache. It is part of the acacia family, and it also is actually kind of similar to mesquite in the blooms and the leafing that it has. And it is pretty predominant out here. I like the pink and the yellow that we've got mixed in here. And it was already started, so I didn't have any options. As you can see, this was already turned. It already had a flat spot drilled into the bottom and the deal here, so we've got what we've got. But I liked it, and I got a couple ideas, so we're gonna give it a turn and see what we can come up with. Let me get geared up, and then we'll come back when I get started. Got some bug, and I got some weak, so this is a bug trail through here that's made this too thin for me to keep, I believe. I wanted to leave it like this and then swoop this down and come in here a little bit more with it, but this whole area is all kind of bug ridden, and it's smooth right here, but there's lots of little bug holes. So I'm gonna have to take this down a little bit more, at least to get past this. I'm gonna try and do that without killing the bowl. It's already got a big crack in here that was in here from the beginning, but it's staying with me. It's not getting any better, so we'll have to see what we can do, but I do love that color. And I'm at least gonna keep that hardwood in there, so I'm gonna have to come up here and try and pull this down, so it'll be a little bit different than I was looking for, but it's gonna be what it's gonna be. The wood decides, as they say. So let's get back at it. So I was thinking this was going to be a quick turn to get back into the swing of things, but it's developed into a process. There's a lot of bug holes everywhere, and it's causing an enormous amount of tear out, especially right in here. Not as much in here because the spalting in this, I guess, it's actually harder. I'm surprised it's not. This is very soft because of all of the bug holes up in here. So I've put some super glue in there to stiffen it up, and I'm gonna try with my scraper, or use my gouge in the scraping, and just kind of use it as a scraper and try to scrape some of this in to keep it. Some of these go pretty deep, so I'm gonna have to take some of this off to get that down, but hopefully it'll be stiff enough that it'll actually hang on instead of just tearing out. And we'll get back at it. Marked for my mortise to go in there, and I'll get to that. I think I'll do the sides first because I need to make sure that I can get those smooth before I fool with it. Letting this sit. It's been sitting for a little while. It's got some beautiful color in it. I don't want to lose it. I want to keep it going, but we'll see what I can pull out here as soon as we get geared up and get going again. Well, it's sanded up to 320. Didn't see any reason to go any farther. It's got lots of bug holes in it, lots of super glue. It's got some rough spots in it. Nothing I can really do about that. This edge is really delicate, and it's chipped out in a couple of places, but not enough that I'm going to worry about it. It's about as good as it's going to get. So we're going to do a little hard feed and wax on it. There's no reason to use Axe or anything like that on it because it's not going to shine up that well. But I think this will be quite nice. It is still my favorite, pretty much my favorite finish. Don't want to get any inside there, so we'll just go to here. It looks like I have enough for 2 rounds already on my cloth here, on my paper towel. So we'll let this soak in, do a little buffing action to it, and then probably just bring you back when I turn it around and see if we can hollow this out without it coming apart on us. It's got a crack through here still that we had from the get-go, but it is almost gone now. It's unique. It goes to green, to yellow to orange to pink down here in pink. Probably will turn out more orange, more pink in here. The black spalting here with all the bug holes in it. The sapwood. It's got a lot of character. So we'll see. I'll bring you back when we get it turned around. This is sanded up to 320, I believe. Something like that, 3 something. Didn't see any reason to go any further with it. There are so many bug holes in this here and over here. There's just no getting it smooth, not without taking a substantial amount away from it. So we're going to leave it as it is and do the hard feed and wax on it. Should make it pop a little bit. It's pretty wood. I'd like to have more of it that isn't as damaged as this one turned out to be, which is probably why it was in the giveaway pile. I'm gonna need a brush because of all these holes. So here it is, a little piece of Huisache. Lots of color in this. Spalting here, some green here and here, the pink and the yellow. There's more green out here, more mixed of yellow and pink in here. Little red tones over on this side. It's got the bark. It's got a lot going on for such a little piece. I don't know what I'll do with it yet. I haven't even decided to put my emblem in here yet. Got the thickness right. It's good. It's about 1/8 of an inch thick past the logo, so we're in good shape. Anyway, that's it for this little project. My wife sneaking out on my studio here. And we'll move on to the next one. Hopefully the next time we'll have something a little more, I don't guess it was exciting. I guess it was exciting enough, but still it was kind of not what I was looking to do. And it took a little longer than I thought. I appreciate you stopping by. Please like, please subscribe, leave a comment. I'd love to respond to the comments, and look forward to hearing from you. Till next time, have a good day.